You guys know that there's like a Facebook and a Twitter site about 35X.
A customer on 35X, it's kind of, they said they're confused.
I would probably say chaotic.
They don't know, they keep saying, where is it? 35X, is it upstairs?
Is this 35X? Where's 35X? Do I have to take an elevator upstairs?
Where can I go? How can I go to that place? How can I go to the aircraft?
I don't see a jet bridge. I hear buses.
No matter how much people don't get along, they would never wish 35X on anyone. As gate agents, we really had to reach out to the passengers and go, where are you going? What flight are you on? When we know that, we can direct them to where they go. We all try to inform them and make announcements to make sure that they understand where they're supposed to go, because this gate is unlike any other gate at any other airports, as we're told every day by the passengers. Most passengers are pretty surprised when they know that they're going to get on a bus, because they're used to going down a jet bridge.
When it's weather, they get wet.
The snow is slippery.
And most of the time, passengers don't want their big coat with them on the plane, so they'll pack it in their bag. And then when they get to our gate, they're like, whoa, I'm going outside. I'm like, oh yeah, you better put your coat on, get your raincoat on. When we have connecting passengers that arrive on inbound flights, we have to take them off of the bus, technically bring them in, and then take them all the way back out on the bus to go all the way to the other terminal.
I think that new terminal will be exciting for everybody. It looks so nice, and I'm sure that customer is really excited to see the new terminal.
Is this terminal really going to be just for Piedmont?
All these waiting areas, it's nice.
It's pretty.
Okay, this is really happening here.
Oh my God, this terminal. I'm really excited to see this terminal. First of all, it's so beautiful and it's big and lots of space.
I think it's amazing. It reminds me of Charlotte. It's just open space.
Well, it would be great to be able to walk down the jet bridge and see that the crew members are actually there, and you can talk to the pilot or the flight attendant and go, are you ready?
If there is a maintenance, I know right away, because I don't need to call the outside anymore. I don't need to call the radio anymore.
I'm just mostly excited about just being able to work my own gate again. To me, it looks amazing to me. Like, you know, just having something brand new to call our own for the first time. It'll bring us closer as a family.
Good customer service. In that case, they will have a good experience so that they will come back again.
Well, no one person can board a flight by themselves. I mean, it's a complete team effort between the ramp agents and the gate agents in operations.
Despite what's going on, we try to make your lives, you know, so much easier. Like once you come through security, and we just want you to continue to travel safe.
I would write a poem called Ode to 35X. Just out of respect for all the people that have come and gone through our gate over the years.
I will miss it. I will miss it. But, you know, it's time for change. You know, coming in 2021, we're going to go out with a bang.